Hello, hi, how are you? I'm Robin. Welcome to my YouTube channel. I was going to say welcome back. This is a brand new YouTube channel. I have a YouTube channel in Male Grooming. I do hair, skincare, fragrance. So if you know me from there, hi. Thanks very much for coming across. But if you're new, then this is a new start. I've just bought a flat, and this is my flat or apartment, depending where you are. This is my first ever home that I own. I've been in London for 10 years. I've been actually 11 years. And I've been renting that whole time. And now I've got myself into a financial situation where I can have my own place. So I'm really excited. And I'm going to document as much of it as possible. This is a new world, the world of interiors for me. I like design. I like a good home. So I thought I'm going to share what I do and also get a bit of inspiration from you guys. So. This is a 3-bedroom, but it's going to become 1 bedroom, an office, and hopefully like a wardrobe, walk-in wardrobe studio, because I will be working from here. When you come in to the hall, you go straight down into the living room, or you come right, which will be the office. Basically, this flat is a 1950s ex-council. The woman that lived here had bought it, and she'd been here for, I think, 25 years. She had her family here. It was very much a family home. It had good vibes. I liked it, and I thought, I can see myself here, and I can kind of put my own stamp on it. So, is it a forever home? No, but it's probably just like my first going into this sort of world and having my own space. So I kind of just want to modernize it. There's plug sockets sort of jutting out of the walls. I want to take those and push them back, or maybe even create a new wall over the top of that. And also exposed pipes, you can make a feature of those, but I think I want them behind. The flooring will change throughout. I want darker wood and then sort of play with colour on the walls. I mean, this is very much just new to me, but this will be the office. So good light, northeast facing. Then you come down a gorgeous corridor and you go into the left, and it is my bedroom. I'm going to keep this very much as just a bedroom. I don't want to be doing any work in here. I don't want a TV in here. I want this as just like a switch off space. Somewhere good, somewhere chilled, and just somewhere to sleep and relax. So this will be this. There's a cupboard behind me. This cupboard backs onto the hallway. I would like to seal this up. I'd like to seal this up and then open it from the other side. Oh, there's all my stuff. I have the internet. Very exciting. That was like a major thing for me. So I would like to seal that up and then almost have like a sort of cloakroom closet on the other side. Then I'm gonna finish on the living room. This room here, very purple but great light, northeast, diffused light, which is great for filming. I want to have a sort of walk-in wardrobe sort of studio here, just really somewhere to store stuff. Store my clothing, store all the hair products that I review on my channel, and just ensure that like it's just a good functioning space. This cupboard, I'll get rid of that. I'm going to get that knocked out. I actually have a guy that's coming to see me, a builder, to do a quote. He was supposed to be here an hour and 10 minutes ago. I've been on the phone and I said not a very good start. But I am guessing this will be the sort of theme of this renovation, chasing people. The bathroom, the toilet and bathroom are separate. That was just sort of its time. I would like to just modernize this, take out this center partition wall. To my knowledge, and when I had a survey done before I put an offer in, well, after I put an offer in before I bought this place, this is not a load-bearing wall, so I should be able to remove it, but I will have to get someone to check that. So I want to remove that, modernize this, and just really kind of bring it up. The kitchen is fine, and I'm kind of happy with it. I do want to modernize it. I do want to put my own stamp on it. I do want to have it as my sort of vibe, but for now, it's functioning, it's clean, it's got everything, washing machine, tumble dryer, working water, boilers in there. It's fairly new as boilers go. So this is kind of a space which is good to go and will allow me to focus on those other rooms and the rooms I kind of want to get moving. I do, however, want to, so this is a chimney through the other side that you'll see in the living room. So I can't touch that wall because that goes all the way through the building. There's 5 floors, I want to say 5, 6, 4 floors above and below. So I can't really mess with that, but I would like to potentially create an arch which will go through. That would then allow me to seal the kitchen door, sealing the kitchen door, having the entrance through the living room, and then pulling the bathroom, the extended bathroom with that arch out slightly, which is going to give you a bit more room, and then putting a new wall here. We'll see. I mean, this is like me talking as if I have endless amounts of money, which I don't. But I do want to invest in this, and I want to sort of bring it up, and also ensure that if and when I decide to move on, it's in a sort of a place that someone will look at this and think, yeah, cool. So this will be the wall. Here's Jesus. Jesus was on here. New flat, same Jesus, watching over me. This arch should hopefully go in there. The living room, I should say, just this morning I got a car and took across my plants because I've got the removal men coming on Tuesday, and I thought you might not be so careful with them. I mean, I'm sure they will, but I thought, no, I'm gonna take these babies across with me. But the living room, I really like. It's got great light, southeast facing, same as the bedroom. It's a beautiful space, sort of flooded in this great natural light, and I think will just be a really great space for sort of my downtime, and just like watching TV, or just sitting looking out, or having a coffee on the balcony. There's a cute little balcony here, or maybe even getting a cat. I would like some sort of furry animal to live here. The fireplace is a gas fireplace, but I really quite like this. That's me having a Lucasade. The energy needs to be coming up. And all my little cards, thank you very much if you sent me a card. So I do want to keep this fireplace, but just modernise it ever so slightly, change the sort of paint. The fireplace, that is gas. I want to change that. It will stay gas, but I'll see what I can do with it. But yeah, this is the space. I'm really excited. I say I'm really excited. I keep on saying I'm really excited. I'm actually shitting myself because, as I say, this is a new world, and I don't have endless amounts of money. But we'll see how I get on. But I'm excited. I'm excited to share it with you, and also just document what I'm doing, how I'm doing it, because I think it will be good. I think it will be good. So thank you very much for watching. Please do press subscribe. We're all new around here, so please do press subscribe right now. Also, if you are looking for any sort of grooming tips and tricks, you can check out my other YouTube channel, Man for Himself. I actually haven't named this channel yet, but I will get that sorted. And thank you very much for watching. I'll see you in my next new video. Bye bye.